Ladies and gentlemen, this is Intervlog. I said, this is Intervlog, where we celebrate the winds of change, the dawn of a new era, and the remarkable achievements that are shaping our beloved Burkina Faso. Today, we bring you yet another groundbreaking milestone, a project that speaks volumes about visionary leadership, strategic partnerships, and the unstoppable march towards industrialization. From the moment Captain Ibrahim Traoré took the helm of Burkina Faso, we at Intervlog have witnessed a revolution of industries, of self-reliance, of a nation determined to rise beyond limits. He is not just a leader, he is a force of nature, a man whose vision is turning dreams into concrete realities, quite literally. The inauguration of the Société industrielle Sino-Burkina de ciments, Cisinob, on March 20th, 2025, is yet another testament to his relentless pursuit of progress. In the heart of Laongo, in the commune of Ziniaré, a massive transformation is underway. The Cisinob cement plant, a beacon of industrial might, now stands tall, a symbol of Burkina Faso's commitment to self-sufficiency and economic sovereignty. This is not just a factory. This is a statement, a declaration to the world that Burkina Faso is open for business, that investments are thriving, and that industrialization is no longer a dream, it is a reality. Let us take a moment to appreciate the powerful partnership between Burkina Faso and China. This is not just a business transaction. This is a bond built on mutual respect, shared goals, and a commitment to prosperity. Crewell International and the Chinese government have played a pivotal role in ensuring that this cement plant becomes a beacon of innovation. With 100% Chinese technology, Burkina Faso now stands on the front line of industrial transformation. Zhang Bing, the Deputy General Manager of Cisinob, has assured us that this plant is designed for the future. Advanced technology will optimize output while maintaining top-tier quality, meeting international standards. This is industrial excellence at its finest, and we at Intervlog cannot contain our excitement. Yes, you heard it right. The Cisinob cement plant is set to produce 2,000 tons of cement per day, which amounts to a staggering 750,000 tons per year. And that's just the beginning. With expansion plans, production is projected to reach 1.2 million tons, securing Burkina Faso's place as a regional industrial powerhouse. Can you hear that sound? It's the sound of machines working, of cement pouring, of buildings rising. It's the sound of progress. No longer shall we rely on expensive imports. No longer shall we be at the mercy of foreign markets. The era of self-reliance is here, and Captain Ibrahim Traoré is leading the charge. At Intervlog, we believe that true development is measured by the impact it has on the people. This cement plant is not just about cement. It's about people, livelihoods, and economic empowerment. Today, Cisinob has provided 110 permanent jobs and 300 seasonal jobs. But this is just the beginning. Over time, more than 1,300 direct and indirect jobs will be created. That is not just numbers. That is food on tables, education for children, and hope for a better tomorrow. This is what leadership looks like. This is what industrialization means for the people. This project is no small feat. With an initial investment of 27 billion CFA francs, Cisinob has set the stage for unprecedented growth. And guess what? This is just phase one. Upon full completion, the total investment is expected to reach 75 billion CFA francs. Yes, Burkina Faso is making bold moves, attracting investments, and transforming its economy in ways never seen before. At Intervlog, we are not just about industrialization. We are about responsible industrialization. And Captain Ibrahim Traoré understands this better than anyone. The Cisinob cement plant is not only focused on production but also on environmental sustainability. Zhang Bing has reassured us that sustainability is a priority. The plant will feature an advanced waste management and recycling system and will integrate renewable energy sources. This is what we call progress with responsibility. Industrialization does not have to come at the cost of the environment. Burkina Faso is proving that we can build, we can grow, and we can protect our planet, all at the same time. We at Intervlog have always said that true leadership is about the people. And once again, Captain Ibrahim Traoré has proven that he is a leader for the people. This cement plant is not just about production. It is about affordable housing, infrastructure, and national development. With Cisinob entering the market, competition will intensify, and the price of cement is expected to drop. What does this mean? It means cheaper homes, better roads, stronger bridges, and an infrastructure boom like never before. Ladies and gentlemen, the message is clear. Burkina Faso is unstoppable. We at Intervlog are witnessing history unfold before our very eyes. The Cisinob cement plant is not just a factory, it is a symbol of Burkina Faso's resilience, a testimony of Captain Ibrahim Traoré's vision, and a beacon of industrial progress. To our brothers and sisters in Africa, this is the blueprint. This is how nations rise. This is how dreams become reality. Burkina Faso is leading the charge, and the rest of Africa must follow. To Captain Ibrahim Traoré, we at Intervlog say, bravo! Your leadership is unmatched, your vision is transformative, and your dedication to Burkina Faso is unwavering. To China, we say, thank you for believing in Africa, for being a partner in progress, and for investing in a brighter future. And to our dear viewers, the future is now. Support this revolution, share this message, and be part of this transformation. Burkina Faso is rising, Africa is rising, and together we shall build a prosperous future. Vive le Burkina Faso! Vive l'industrialisation! Vive Captain Ibrahim Traoré! The Sino-Burkina Industrial Cement Company officially launches its activities. The President of Burkina Faso, Captain Ibrahim Traoré, inaugurated the Société industrielle Sino-Burkina de ciments, Cisinob or Cisinob cement plant on Thursday, March 20th, 2025. Located in Laongo, in the commune of Ziniaré, this company specializes in the production and marketing of cement. It has a production capacity of 2,000 tons of cement per day and 750,000 tons per year. The project is led by Crewell International and strengthens existing relations between Burkina Faso and China. Industrial production units are being strengthened with the arrival of Cisinob. Built on an area of just over 12.5 hectares, Cisinob aims to meet local demand through the production of quality cement, while contributing to the country's economic development. According to Zhang Bing, Deputy General Manager of Cisinob, the cement plant has an initial production capacity of 750,000 tons of cement per year, which can be expanded to 1,200,000 tons. Our industrial unit is built with advanced technology, allowing us to optimize output while ensuring cement quality that meets international standards, he added. Built with 100% Chinese technology, Cisinob is committed to minimizing its environmental impact. A waste management and production residue recycling system will be implemented. Cisinob, Deputy General Manager Zhang Bing reaffirmed the company's commitment to sustainable development and environmental preservation. Our factory will make environmental preservation and sustainable development a top priority. Several initiatives will be implemented to minimize the ecological impact, including a waste management system, production residue recycling, and the integration of renewable energy sources. To date, the cement plant employs 110 permanent employees and 300 seasonal workers, with plans to expand to more than 1,300 direct and indirect jobs over time. The cement plant's products will be marketed under the Simpanga brand. The investment for the construction of the facilities is estimated at approximately 27 billion CFA francs, and is expected to reach 75 billion upon completion of the project. For the President of Burkina Faso, Captain Ibrahim Traoré, the implementation of this industry by Chinese partners is clear proof that investment is still possible in Burkina Faso. The completion of this project proves once again that Burkina Faso is a country with strong investment potential, contrary to the pessimistic and alarmist rhetoric of some quarters. This factory, whose production will consolidate existing supply, is perfectly in line with our vision of sustainable endogenous development. It offers employment opportunities while significantly contributing to the revitalization of the national economy, he suggested. President Traoré also expressed the hope that the arrival of this new industry on the market will impact the price of cement so that it is revised downwards for the benefit of the population. We therefore expect from everyone a generalized reduction in cement prices, all of which will contribute to the creation of quality infrastructure and decent housing for the hardworking populations. This is the place for me to invite industrial players involved in the cement sector to fully invest in order to offer consumers quality products at affordable prices, he maintained. With this new cement plant, Burkina Faso is strengthening its local industry and opening up new prospects for the construction sector. Fictional speech by President of Burkina Faso, Captain Ibrahim Traoré, on inauguration of the Société industrielle Sino-Burkina Cements, Cisinob. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, our honored Chinese partners, dear fellow citizens of Burkina Faso, today, we gather here in Laongo with immense pride and a deep sense of accomplishment to officially inaugurate the Société industrielle Sino-Burkina Cements, known as Cisinob. This is not just the birth of another industrial facility, but a landmark event that symbolizes our unwavering determination to industrialize Burkina Faso and propel our nation toward economic sovereignty. This plant represents progress, resilience, and the fruit of strategic partnerships that will shape the future of our country. To those who doubted the ability of Burkina Faso to attract investment, to those who spread fear that our nation was isolated, let Cisinob serve as proof that our nation is not only open for business, but that we are a land of opportunities and bold ambition. Lorsque le vent se lève, certains construisent des murs, d'autres des moulins. When the wind rises, some build walls, others build windmills. Burkina Faso is building industries, not barriers. Cisinob is more than just a cement factory. It is a powerful statement that Burkina Faso is moving forward with confidence. With an initial production capacity of 750,000 tons per year, expandable to 1.2 million tons, this facility will significantly strengthen our local industry. It is a major step in reducing our dependence on imported cement while meeting the growing needs of our infrastructure sector. Our government has set clear priorities. We must build roads, hospitals, schools, housing, and essential infrastructure. But how can we achieve this without sufficient cement? Cisinob answers this question by ensuring that we have a reliable, high-quality supply of cement at competitive prices. Our dream is to see every Burkinabe family afford decent housing, and this plant is a key part of making that dream a reality. Furthermore, the advanced technology used in Cisinob's production guarantees top-quality cement that meets international standards. This means our construction projects will stand the test of time, ensuring durability and safety for generations to come. What is industrialization if it does not create jobs and improve lives? Cisinob is not only an industrial project but a job creation powerhouse. Today, the plant employs 110 permanent staff and 300 seasonal workers. In the coming years, this number will grow to over 1,300 direct and indirect jobs. Brothers and sisters, let us remember. À quoi sert la richesse d'un pays si elle ne profite pas à son peuple? What is the wealth of a country if it does not benefit its people? This is why we are committed to ensuring that our industrial policies create employment for Burkinabe youth. This factory is not just a symbol of cement production. It is a beacon of hope for many families who now have stable sources of income. As we celebrate Cisinob today, I want to remind you all, this is just the beginning. Many more industries are coming, and each one will bring jobs, skills, and opportunities for our people. Industrial development must go hand in hand with environmental protection. We will not sacrifice the future of our children for short-term economic gains. Cisinob was built with 100% Chinese technology, ensuring high efficiency while minimizing environmental impact. The factory is equipped with modern systems